But the first thing you need to do is make sure that you download and install Filezilla, the one that's correct for your system. Make sure that you're downloading the Filezilla client and not the Filezilla server. After you do that, you can go ahead and launch it, like so. And we don't want to use this quick connect because we want it to actually remember the connection. So we're going to go File, Site Manager, and then we'll pretend that's not there because I've created the site a few times before. So we go New Site and give it a nice name. And the host is dma.sjsu.edu. The server type is SFTP. If you don't do that, it won't work. And the login type is normal. The user is art74_3, and the password is the password that is listed in Desire to Learn. I'm not going to say it here because this is going to be a public video. Alright, once it tries to connect, it will come up with this fingerprint. Your dialog box may look different, or it may not even come up at all, but this is fine. We just hit OK. Now I have this index.html file that I want to put into my directory. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open up the art74_3 list, and what I'm looking for is this sites folder. And go ahead and go into that. Let's pretend that this is not here. Okay? What I would do is either right-click on the sites folder or right-click in here, and that's control-click for you Mac users. Create new directory. And you want to create a directory that has your first initial last name. And you want to make sure that you're using first initial last name because I need to know whose folder it is. Once that's created, again, you can double-click on it to select it, and you'll notice that the window comes up in here. And now it's just trivial. I can just drag my index.html folder over into this, and you'll see that it turns up in here. Now, so where is this on the web? Well, I'm going to go ahead and open a browser window to dma.sjsu.edu/art74_3/jmorgan. Now the file name is index.html, but index.html is a special file. All right, whenever you're in a folder like this this jmorgan folder, it will automatically look for the index.html folder or file, and if you just hit this and hit enter, you'll notice that it comes up with the same thing. So that's it. That's all you need to know for Filezilla file transfers. You can, of course, transfer files back and forth. If I find my desktop in here, it's really trivial to then go ahead and move files back and forth between these. It's pretty straightforward and pretty simple.